everyone, my name is Alexa Trisha A. Canopin from BEd 1A, and today I'll be sharing a strategy that I believe one of the most effective way to teach values to elementary pupils in today's generation, and that is teaching values through storytelling. So as we all know, in today's world, children are surrounded by technology, social media, and other influences. Because of this, it's not really easy for them to understand what is wrong and what is right. So that's why, as a future teachers, we need to find a creative way to teach values that will really connect to their hearts, and storytelling is a great way to do so. So, through stories, we can teach values like honesty, respect, kindness, and fairness in a way that children can easily understand. For example, in a story, The Pagong at ang Matsing, we can teach pupils about fairness and the importance of honesty. In this story, the matching tries to trick the turtle, diba? But so he can get more for himself. But in the end, the matching got punished or get or face a consequences for being greedy. So this teaches children that um, being unfair to others can hurt their feelings. So and that's honesty and sharing is always the better choices. Another example is Alamat ng Bilya. This story teaches the value of obedience and respect, and responsible also. Through this story, pupils are learn that following rules and respecting elders are important values in lives. So what makes storytelling effective DI is that it captures the children's attention. Kids normally love listening to stories, whether whether it's from books, videos, or teachers' own storytelling. We can also make it interactive by asking questions like in the story sa Pagong at ang Matching, we can ask question that if you were the turtle, what will you do? Or in the other story, in the about the Alamat ng Pinya, so we can ask, what lesson did you learn from the pineapple story? This helped them think critically and apply the values to their own experiences. So, storytelling also builds empathy. When children is connected to the characters, they begin to understand other people's feelings. This helps them become more kind and more respectful, and also emotionally aware. As a future teacher, I plan to use storytelling regularly in my classroom, not just during reading time, but also in teaching values and even in other subjects. Because I believe that stories can shape both the mind and the heart of every learner. So, to sum it all up, teaching values through storytelling is powerful because it's engaging, relatable, memorable, and also it helps pupils not just learn about values but truly live in them in their daily lives. So that would be all. Thank you for watching and listening.